Second day of the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering, Marcus N. Marak, while replying to the question of UTP MLA Sinchar Kupar Roy Lingdot Thaba on households under Jal Jeevan Mission, said that various sources of water which are supplied to the households under JJM are surface sources and groundwater. He also informed that the government is taking steps to regenerate the sources. Replying to the question, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that 344 crore rupees have been sanctioned for protecting the catchments of areas of two important rivers, Umyao in East Khasi Hills District and Ganol in Garo Hills region.
Water policy. When the Jal Jeevan review was held in Shillong and the Honourable Minister had come, he had mentioned about the model that Meghalaya has adopted, which is a holistic approach towards ensuring that water supply is given in a sustainable manner to the people, which means not just the pipe connection but also the source. So having said that, to reply specifically to the questions that were raised by the Honourable Minister, by the Honourable members, so there are multiple projects going on today to conserve water.
During the ongoing budget session of the